What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We're coming in at 9 or 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. One break for you tonight. 5-box case break of the 2012 Black Football. Gonna be 32 names in the break. Everybody gonna get one team per spot. And we'll copy that list. And we'll randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy that list and paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. And we'll quick format it so you can see it at home. And here is the roster for tonight. And here is the 5-box case for tonight. And here we go, box number 1. I'll start with the 2 rookies on the bottom. Up first for the Chargers, Ladarius Green to 349. Going to Greg. Eagles, Bryce Brown, rookie to 349. And then one going to Johnny. Redskins, Roy Halou Jr. going to John W. to 349. Dallas Clark going to Justin to 349. AJ Green, gold parallel, going to Johnny, numbered at 10 out of 49. Man to man, go to the Falcons. Got Roddy White and Chris Gamble, numbered to 349. Falcons going to John W. We have a few Johns on tonight. Cowboys weaponry insert, Dez Bryant to 349. Going to Jose. And looks like we have a big one coming up. Let's grab a one touch. Congratulations, Dave R. You got yourself an Andrew Luck on card auto 2-color patch with some stitching. Very nice. This one, short print, 11 out of 49. Very cool. Good start. Up next for the Lions, a gold parallel rookie auto, Bill Bentley. 63 out of 99. Going to Ben. Bobby Rainey, rookie auto for the Ravens. Going to Jamie J. And this one a short print, 30 out of 49. Rams, a rookie patch for Isaiah Peed. Rams going to Brian S. Now in numbered 167 out of 299. And a dual patch for the Eagles, LaShawn McCoy. That one going to Johnny N. Super short print, 5 out of 10. And again, we'll start with the two rookies on the bottom. For the Packers, Mark Tyler, 287 out of 349, going to Gary. Cowboys, Tyrone Crawford, to 349, going to Jose. Eagles, Jeremy Maclin, to 349, going to Johnny. A jersey patch for the Jags, Mercedes Lewis, going to Keith, numbered 90 out of 99. Lions and Dominican Sue, 29 out of 49, going to Ben. Man to man, that'll go to the Bears, Charles Tillman and Greg Jennings. Bears going to Shelley, to 349. Texans honors insert, Andre Johnson, to 349, going to Ben. On card rookie auto jersey patch for the Niners, AJ Jenkins. That one going to Johnny, 347 out of 349. Rookie auto for the Chargers, Kendall Reyes, going to Greg B, 13 out of 199. Eagles, rookie auto, Mikael Kendricks. That one going to Johnny, 105 out of 199. Up next, a redemption. It'll go to the Chargers, Melvin Ingram. And Chargers going to Greg B. That'll be a rookie gold signature. No, that'll be a short print. And the last hit for the Packers, Greg Jennings, Donald Driver dual patch. Packers going to Gary. That one a short print, 60 out of 50. Box number 3. Rookie for the Redskins, Kirk Cousins, 215 out of 349. Going to John W. Lions, Bill Bentley, to 349. Going to Ben. Giants, Victor Cruz, to 349. Going to Jose. Colts, Reggie Wayne. Going to Dave, to 349. Philip Rivers, Gold, parallel 16 out of 49. Going to Greg. Man-to-man will go to the Jets. Antonio Holmes with Devin McCourty. For the Patriots, number to 349. Going to Gary. Dolphins weaponry insert, Reggie Bush. To 349. Going to Dave. Another one for you, Dave. Kobe Fleener on card auto. 2-color patch. Looks like part of the 8. Very nice. Numbered 317 out of 349. Rams rookie auto, Tremaine Johnson. Going to Brian S. 23 out of 199. Vinny Curry rookie auto for the Eagles. Johnny N. You'll get that one numbered 16 out of 25. Jarius Wright rookie patch for the Vikings. That'll go to Jesse B. 180 out of 299. And a real nice looking 3-color patch for the Patriots, Wes Welker. Patriots going to Danny H. And I want a short print 31 out of 49. Rookie for the Vikings, Harrison Smith to 349. Going to Jesse. Colts, T.Y. Hilton going to Dave to 349. Cowboys, Tony Romo to 349. Going to Jose. Redskins dual jersey patch, Brian Arakpo. 74 out of 99. Going to John W. Patriots gold parallel, Dante Hightower. 44 out of 49. Going to Danny. Man-to-man will go to the Falcons. Brent Grimes and Steve Smith. Falcons going to John W. to 349. Titans weaponry insert, Chris Johnson to 349. Going to Jason C. Rams rookie on card auto jersey patch, Nick Toon. That'll go to Jason C. Short print numbered 26 out of 99. Rookie auto for the Patriots, Tavon Wilson. Short print 16 out of 49. Going to Danny. Rookie auto for the Cowboys, Tyrone Crawford. 85 out of 99. Going to Jose. Rookie signature, redemption, Rod Streeter. I have to double check on that one. I get Tommy Streeter and Rod Streeter mixed up. It's either for the Ravens or the Raiders. We'll include that in the scans and make sure we get that to the right person. And a quad patch, which will go to the left team, the Patriots. We have Tom Brady, Tony Romo, Eli Manning, and Drew Brees. Patriots going to Danny H. That one numbered 67 out of 75. And box number 5. Rookie for the Packers, Mark Tyler to 349. Going to Gary. Texans rookie Jared Crick to 349. Going to Ben. Broncos Peyton Manning to 349. Going to Vincent B. Another one for you, Vincent. Rookie on card auto jersey patch, Ronnie Hillman. 115 out of 349. Packers gold parallel, Jordy Nelson, 4 out of 49. That one going to Gary. Cowboys captains insert, DeMarcus Ware, 77 out of 349. Honors insert for the Chargers, LaDainian Tomlinson to 349. Going to Greg. And a rookie on card auto, 3-color patch, Jarius Wright for the Vikings. That one will go to Jesse B. And short print, the last one made 25 out of 25. Nice hit. For the Chiefs, rookie auto Cyrus Gray, 20 out of 25. Going to Gary. Colts, rookie auto Levon Brazil, going to Dave. 154 out of 199. Marks of Distinction autograph for the Browns, Greg Little. And Browns going to Dave R. 67 out of 99. And a dual patch for the Packers, Sterling Sharp. That one going to Gary, one of my favorites growing up, numbered 2 out of 99. And that will do it for the Wednesday night breaks. We're off tomorrow, but have eBay auctions ending. And then Friday, we have a 3-box mixer with products from 2011, 12, and 2013. Spots are going fast, so take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you Friday night.